What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to change the input source on your Skyworth TV without the remote control. So if for some reasons your remote control is not just working just like mine over here, or your remote control lost, this video will still help you change the HDMI input source of any Skyworth TV you have without the actual remote control. So whether you have the Skyworth Google TV just like this one or the Skyworth Android TV, this will definitely work for you. Now, in order to achieve this, basically you want to go ahead and look for the power or menu button that is just below the bottom of your Skyworth TV. Just below the Skyworth logo at the bottom of your Skyworth TV over here, you're going to see the power or menu button. Now, depending on the type and model of Skyworth TV you have, you might actually find this power or menu button at the back of the right hand side or at the back of the left hand side of your Skyworth TV. But once you find it, what you just want to do is to go ahead and tap on that particular button once, and you're going to see this menu over here on your Skyworth TV. Now, to change the input source of your Skyworth TV, you just want to continuously tap on that button until you navigate to the source option. Now, once you get to the source option, you just want to go ahead and long press on it, and you're going to get this menu over here. Now, to select any of this input source, you just want to continuously tap once again until you get to the specific HDMI input source you want to change to on your Skyworth TV. You can literally see all of the input sources over here, so I can go ahead and change to any input source if I want to. You can literally see HDMI 1 over here. I'll just go ahead and long press on that option, and automatically the input source of my Skyworth TV will be changed to HDMI 1. Now, if you also want to change the input source from HDMI to AV, just go ahead and tap on that button once again, just like so. It will bring up this menu. Continuously tap until you get to the source option, long press on that. Now, you're going to see this menu. Now, you just want to go ahead and tap until you get to the TV option or the AV option, which is basically cable over here. And then at this point, you just want to long press on it once again, and automatically that specific input source will be selected for your Skyworth TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.